Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to install and play Fortnite on MacBook. This tutorial will be quick and simple, just make sure to subscribe and also leave a like if you will find this guide useful. First of all, you want to go to Fortnite.com and then you will see options play Fortnite, and here you need to click GeForce Now. You will need to download GeForce Now in order to play on Mac OS. So we're going to click play now, and after that you will be redirected to GeForce Now option. And then you can click launch on iOS or just join now, whatever, and you will be redirected to this page where you need to click download. After you click download, you want to double click on GeForce Now and you want to go ahead and sign in there, basically install it. After that, you will be redirected to this page where you will sign in with your NVIDIA account. If you don't have NVIDIA account, you just go ahead and sign up. And then you're going to search for Fortnite. Now, in order to play Fortnite, you will need to have Epic Games account. You want to click on Fortnite here and click play. After that, you will need to connect your Epic Games Store account. Click connect. After that, you will need to sign in into your Epic Games account. After that, you will see this message use NVIDIA GeForce Now with your Epic Games account. Click allow. And now your Epic Games account is connected. Go back to GeForce Now. Now, as you can see, your Epic Games account connected, click done. And after that, you can go ahead and click play. And that's pretty much it, guys. That's how you install and play Fortnite on MacBook. This tutorial was helpful. Make sure to subscribe, and I will see you next time.